JC here in France, in Ez. We're climbing the mountain to the castle of Ez. I'll give you a peek. Still climbing to the castle of Ez. Pretty cool place. We're getting towards the top. We're in the gardens now.
Like it's kind of a costly proposition, but it's just something you could do for
It's pretty awesome. We're getting to the top pretty soon. We've pretty much made it to the top. A few more steps to go. We're gonna do it. Not without being out of breath though. We have made it officially to the top of the castle of Ez. These are the ruins. It was about a half-hour hike up here. It's hot, but we did it. Show you the Mediterranean Sea here. Now I gotta walk back down.